It's a good positive mindset. It can be perceived as negative, but it is not. It's just detail. So how can you obtain your first QA engineer role? This is not an easy formula, of course, but there are a lot of things you can do. Study the foundations is basic. In the interviews, they will ask you, what is manual testing? What is a boundary level testing? There are different names of techniques and everything. What is an agile framework? What do you do if you have a meeting as a Scrum and it's the retrospective meeting? So that's a study. That's things you need to study, of course. Those are the foundations of every development and testing processes. Then you need to work smart. Use the tools. I have done automation and manual testing. I'm more into manual. I'm very analytical. My profile is analytical. So I love to do manual testing, but I use a lot of tools. I do it manually, but I use a lot of tools. I'm supported by every tool. As soon as they launched a ChatGPT bot, I start using it to analyze requirements, to review some things. And of course, I don't trust it. I have constructive skepticism. So I use tools, but I always compare results and go back and retest everything. You need to get familiar with a lot of tools. People like to read in your CV the amount of tools that you use. Engage with the QA industry. You don't know from where your next job or your first opportunity is going to come. So add every QA to LinkedIn. Add them. We are very generous and sharing industry. They will always be there for you. Any of my QA fellows and colleagues, they are the best. Be prepared for strong interviews. Interviews can be very technical. So you need to be prepared, you need to build resilience, and you need to be flexible, and you need to tolerate frustration if you don't get it on the first time, because interviews are hard and we are very exposed and we are very vulnerable. And if we don't know an answer, I always prefer the people I am interviewing, I interviews, tell me, I don't know. I'm so sorry. I am not familiar with this concept, but I will investigate after this interview. Please ask me another question. Let's try to uncover this. But you need to learn how to respond during those interviews.